Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong July 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung info to book for a private reading. So, unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Scorpio. Ibig sabihin, you're connecting with someone. Let's see what's coming. You have the Six of Pentacles, the Fool, the Two of Wands. Okay, so pwedeng meron kayong adventure ng person mo. Ngayong July, you may be traveling a lot, no? Ngayong July, travel to different places, checking out new things. Yung iba sa inyo, may marireceive na regalo from your romantic partner or ikaw mismo magbibigay ng gift sa iyong romantic partner. I think, kung kayo ay medyo naging, yung parang hindi nyo masyadong nabigyan ng attention yung partner nyo nung nakaraan, babawi kayo sa partner nyo or vice versa. Kung yung partner nyo naging busy noong mga nakaraan at ngayon July, babawi siya sa'yo. You have the Six of Cups. Wow. So some of you, this is a soulmate connection. I also see someone na magre-regalo ng pet, no? Pwedeng pusa, aso, or kung ano man yung pet na pwede nyong iregalo sa inyong person. So pwedeng ikaw ang magre-regalo or the person that you are dealing with. Meron din kayong decision making. Some of you pwedeng may pwedeng you are living together na, no? Maaring nag-iisip kayo kung saan kayo magre-relocate kasi you are looking forward to new experiences, new beginnings with your person. Wow, we have the Tower. You have this Five of Swords and the Temperance. Baka yung iba sa inyo merong pag-away. May pag-aawayan bigla, no? Oo. Sabi kasi nila, mas makikilala mo raw ang isang tao kapag kayo ay nagta-travel together with your person. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng unexpected na misunderstanding, conflict between the two of you. But with the Temperance card here, kalmahan mo lang daw yung sarili mo. Iwasan mong mag-overthink or mag-overreact sa posibleng misunderstanding ninyo ng person mo. Let's see what else. You have the Hermit. So, Virgo energy. You also have Aries energy. And then you have Sagittarius. Okay. So, parang yung July for you, mahati siya sa dalawang scenario. Isang good times, fun times together, tsaka isang part na medyo magkakaroon kayo ng conflict or misunderstanding. Let's see ano pa for Scorpio in a relationship. Present moment, gratitude. Oh, okay. So, some of you, pwedeng magkaroon ng jealousy, no? Maaring, can be I also see an energy from the past na pwedeng mabibring up, no? Mabibring up yung person. This can be a person from the past, sa side mo or sa side niya. Or, naging problema nyo in the past na pwedeng mabring up ngayon. Okay? So, meron kasing unhealthy or toxic behavior minsan, no, sa inyong relationship. But I think, kaya to nabibring up sa inyo is para lalong makilala niyo yung isa't isa at makapag-decide kayo if this person is really someone na gusto mong makasama habang buhay. There's also someone watching, no? May nagsaspy sa inyo or may nakamasid sa nangyayari sa connection nyo, sa relationship nyo. Yung iba, pwedeng energy from the past. Pwedeng sa side mo or sa side niya na inaalam what's going on sa inyo, lalo na't nakikita nila na you are posting pictures, updates, videos about your vacation or yung time mo with your person. may mga triggers. I think isa ito sa pwede nyong maging challenge ngayong July. Yung mga nabibring up sa past. Oo. Kaya I suggest na wag yun nang ungkatin ng past. Kung gusto niyo na maging maayos lang yung takbo ng July para sa inyo. So, yung mga naman, tingnan natin yung mga single na Scorpio. Single na Scorpio. July 2024. If you are single, 7 of Cups. Okay, someone is confused. May pinagpipilian. I feel like there's a new beginning here. An offer. Exciting new beginnings. May potential. Okay? So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, Scorpio, hindi lang isa yung kinoconsider nyo for a relationship. Can be 2 or more. Okay? Pwede kasing you are connecting with multiple people, pero hindi ka pa nagsisettle na sa kahit na sino sa kanila. So now, you are going to decide whether you are ready, no? Kung ready ka na to get into this relationship or not. Oh, okay. So, if you are single, Scorpio, merong romantic connection na parating. Merong, manunuyo sa'yo. Oo. And with the Page of Wands, some of you, bigla na lang kayong papasok dito sa relationship na to eh. Mararamdaman mo, the moment na maramdaman mo na this person is the one na gusto mong want to spend your time with, then you will just get into that, no? Hindi ka na magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Okay, let's see what else. Single Scorpio. Timing factor. Okay. Maraming admirers, no? I think itong 7 of Cups energy is the time na pinag-iisipan mo kanino ka pupusta. So, kanino mo ibibigay yung iyong attention. Merong admirers no? Marami. Okay. Twin Flames. So, I feel like there is someone na makikilala mo or pwedeng kilala mo na to na ma-realize mo na parang pareho kayo, para kayong twin. Twin, where have you been? Ganon. So, you are mirroring each other. Maaring marami kayong pagkakapareho, no? Oo. So, meron din ditong distance. Yung iba sa inyo iiwas na sa taong hindi nyo naman talaga gusto. Oo. Yes, may resistance dito. So, meron kang, yung iba sa inyo, merong papasuking bagong relationship wherein mas nakaka-connect ka dun sa person na yon, mas nakaka-resonate ka sa kanya. And there is also someone na iiwasan mo na. Because you feel like you are not really vibing, no, as a couple. Parang walang potential yung relationship or yung connection na iyon. O, diba? Ang ganda niya kasi marami kayong options. Options. Oh, 'di ba? You are going to go for your soulmate. Yung iba sa inyo, friend nyo to, no? Na pwedeng nare-realize nyo na you are really meant for each other. This can be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or someone na ka-wavelength mo pagdating sa conversations. Okay? So, yeah, let's see ano pa ang message for you. Para sa mga in a relationship, ano yung message? Uy, romance. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. Oh. Kumbaga this can also apply pati sa mga singles, no? Na if you love someone, you have to show them. Pakita mo na mahal mo. 'Di ba? And you're also going to shine. So I think itong shine na to has something to do with being popular or you will be admired. Kaya ka maraming admirers eh. Don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents and gifts. Shine brightly. Yes, you will shine bright like a diamond. Kaya naman magiging maingat ka sa kung kanino mo ibibigay ang iyong attention, especially if you are single. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.